This video shows the operation of a continuous wet instant granule production line, which is a test granulation machine in our factory. We test the materials according to the customer's process requirements to ensure that they meet the production needs. This wet granulation production line includes the following equipment: high-speed wet mixer, swing granulator, belt conveyor, static fluid bed dryer, screening machine, packaging machine. Wet instant granulation line production process including this follow process. 1. A vacuum feeder first transports the powder material to the high shear granulator. 2. Liquid is sprayed in proportion to the weight of the material, and the water content is usually increased by 13% of the total weight of the material. In the high-speed mixer, after 3 to 5 minutes of high-speed mixing, the material will be discharged to the swing granulator. 3. The wet powder material is squeezed by the swing roller in the sway granulator, and passes through the screen to form wet powder particles. The size of the particles is determined by the sieve. 4. The wet particles are transported to the static fluidized dryer by a belt conveyor. The static fluid bed drying machine is a continuous batch feeding and discharging, with the advantages of adjustable temperature and large output. Since the equipment works statically, its service life is long. The drying process is divided into several stages. The first batch of materials enters the first section for pre-drying. The pre-dried materials are transferred to the second section for re-drying. The materials dried in the second section enter the third section for cooling. During this process, new wet materials are continuously fed into the fluidized bed dryer for cyclic drying to achieve batch discharge. The dried materials are discharged through the fluidized bed, and then enter the vibrating screener for screening. The particles that meet the customer's requirements enter the packaging stage, and the fine powder and large particles are returned to the front end for reprocessing. The qualified particles after screening enter the packaging machine for packaging, to ensure the sealing and quality stability of the final product. Process advantages of the wet granulation process line. 1. High degree of automation. The entire production line has achieved automated operation from feeding to packaging, which greatly reduces labor costs and improves production efficiency. 2. Strong production continuity. The connection between each device is close, which realizes the continuous production of materials and ensures the stability of output. 3. Product quality assurance. Through strict process control and equipment performance, the quality of the final product is stable, the particles are uniform, and the instant effect is good. 4. Energy saving and environmental protection. The use of advanced process technology and equipment design reduces energy consumption and material waste, while ensuring production efficiency, which meets the requirements of modern green production. Please contact Highwell Machinery Company.